Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to easily open your Toyota Highlander's trunk from the inside. We'll cover two main methods, using the convenient power liftgate button and, for emergencies, the manual release. It's a simple process that can be very helpful in various situations. Remember, for the power liftgate to work, your vehicle should be stopped and the doors unlocked. Let's get started. The easiest way to open your Highlander's trunk from inside is by using the power liftgate button. You'll usually find this button on the dashboard, often to the left of the steering wheel, or sometimes on the overhead console. Simply press and hold the button for about 2 to 3 seconds. You'll hear a beep, and the liftgate will smoothly open to its programmed height, offering quick and effortless access. In situations where the power liftgate isn't working, there's an emergency manual release. First, fold down the rear seats to gain access to the inside of the liftgate. Look for a small plastic access panel or cover on the interior trim of the trunk door. Gently pry this cover open with a flat tool or your fingers. Inside, you'll find a small lever. Push or pull it to mechanically unlatch the trunk, allowing you to open it. It's crucial to remember that the manual emergency release is intended for urgent situations, such as a power failure or if someone is accidentally locked inside. For safety, never leave children or pets unattended in your vehicle, especially in the cargo area. Always ensure the area behind your Highlander is clear before opening the trunk, whether using the power button or the manual release. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.